if a line is parallel to x-axis, so here this line, this is parallel to x-axis, it's not making any angle with x-axis, okay? So this one, we say gradient is equal to 0. Okay, now the moment it start making angle with x-axis, okay, then we say, okay, this line has now gradient, okay? Now, if we have line this one, we say, okay, this line has gradient. So what do you get the difference? What do you get out of this, right? And now, gradient means, you see the slope, it says slope, like, if you remember, if a line making any angle, that always has gradient, okay? So gradient depends on the angle, whether that angle is here. Now, if a line is along y-axis, or parallel to y-axis, for example, this line, it has infinite gradient, okay? Infinite means very high gradient. Basically, on this line, you cannot climb, okay? Just like a wall, you cannot climb, it's hard, okay? Because gradient is very high here. On this line, you can walk.
Narlan from Year 7, could you please come to the front office? Narlan from Year 7, can you please come to the front office? Thank you.
It's just like walking on, this is walking on the road, which is easy for you. If you try to climb on mountain, it's a little bit difficult, right? But if the mountain looks like this, can you climb?
No.
No, it's very hard. So you remember that gradient here is very high, infinite, okay? But here gradient, it has gradient, right? Less than this one. And if you are walking on the straight path, it doesn't have any gradient, which is very easy, okay? There's no angle with that. So at the moment, you remember this, okay? But we have formula how to find gradient, how to, gradient, yeah, can be positive and negative. We will discuss about that. So, straight line, we have a general formula y is equal to ax plus b. Some books, okay, write y is equal to mx plus c. So there's no difference between these two equations. Only the difference is that they changed a to m and b to c, okay? Now this m is called gradient. Anything attached to x, that is called gradient. What is this? Gradient. And this is called intercept. Okay, intercept means where the line cuts x-axis or y-axis. Now, if I have a line, let me introduce another line. This is a line. It comes and passes through y-axis at this point. See, -4? So the intercept is now 4, -4, that's C. Okay? Gradient, we will discuss in next lesson how do you find gradient. But in your questions at the moment, they give you gradient. Let's read question number 3 and see what I say. Can you read question number 3? What does it say, question 3?
Find the equation of the line with zero gradients that
M is equal to 0 or A is equal to 0, okay? And what is the point, x and y? What is the point given?
-1,
Comma
3.
2, 3?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Now we have to find equation of a line, okay? Now, general equation of line is this. Y is equal to ax plus b in your book. Ax plus b. A can be m. A is m, okay? Doesn't matter. Now, let's substitute these numbers. Okay? Let's see what is the thing. M is equal to 0. Y is equal to m 0, x that is 0, and then x is -1. No, I have to do that. Can you wait a minute? Because C is gradient is 0. Okay, wait. I need to go the short way. Guys, when gradient is 0, you are along y-axis, okay, along x-axis. There's no gradient, okay, 0. So our equation would be along x we have y is equal to 3. See this 3? Y is equal to 3. Because the line doesn't make any ingredient, so it goes along parallel to x-axis. Okay, so y is equal to 3, that's your answer. Maybe after we can